Hello everyone. So today I'm going to talk about a strategy that will give you more clients by changing only one thing. So I am using this strategy for myself and my clients. We are getting results, and that's why I'm sharing this strategy to you. So the simple thing that I observed in a few months, that I am trying to compete in the market where lots of my competitors are selling the same offer, right? Though my offer is completely different, I'm selling an appointment booking service and I do not have that many competitors. But for my clients, they are coaches, they are life coaches, fitness coaches, and they are competing with thousands of other fitness coaches, life coaches, business coaches, right? So what is happening when we all are trying to sell the similar service in the similar marketplace, which is Facebook, then the response is less. So what we did, me and my partner, we were researching on how we can tackle this problem. I hope that you are also facing this problem. Lots of competitors, everybody is selling the same service and same offers and same marketplace and same DMs, same scripts, and everything is same. Like, yeah, it's frustrating. So we found that with one change, you can definitely get more leads, more appointments, and more clients. What is that one change? The change is, me, I'm spending 80% of my time on Facebook. So my offers are going on Facebook, my posts are going on Facebook, my stories are going on Facebook, my DMs, I'm spending time on Facebook. So what I did is, whatever the practices that I was doing on Facebook, I started replicating those practices on LinkedIn. So of course I'm not spending that much time on LinkedIn, but still I started posting on LinkedIn, only posting. 10% of the time I started spending on LinkedIn. What I saw is, without giving any engagement, without spending more than 5 minutes on LinkedIn, I started getting leads. Why? Because whatever offer I have, whatever practices that I'm using on Facebook, nobody is using those practices on LinkedIn. So I changed my marketplace. I jumped from Facebook to LinkedIn. I have created a detailed video on this. You can click on the I button and you can see that video. So all you have to do is, you have to think which is the best platform similar to your platform, which can give you more and more leads, where your target audience is present. This is so simple change that we are working on currently, and it's working and giving us lots of leads. Hello there. If you're watching this, that means you are a serious viewer, and this is an ad in between a video. So I'm testing this format. Let's see how it works. So for all my serious viewers, I have a special opportunity, an opportunity to work with me at a discounted price. Lately, I have been testing a strategy to book appointments, and I used that strategy on my 5 clients and I got exceptional results. One of my clients, Celia, she booked 16 appointments in the last month. Another client, Bruno Morris, who is a 2 Comma Club owner, he's completely booked. One of my collaborator, Angela Roth, she's also completely booked with this strategy. So this strategy is a direct strategy which is helping you to book appointments directly instead of nurturing people in the messenger. So lots of people are trying to nurture their audience in the messenger, which is a lot of work and it takes a lot of time, and your audience is already aware that what are you doing in the messenger. So instead of nurturing them in the messenger, is there any direct way that can help you to nurture people in a better way and book an appointment? Yes, there is. We tested this, it's working in the market, and that's what I have to give you. From my bottom of heart, I'm telling you, this is one of the best strategy that I have ever used to book appointments. So if you are someone who is looking to book appointments, then below this video, I have given a form link. In the last section, you can see the code. You have to use a code appointments in capital and you will get 30% discount. Give it a try. I'm telling you, you will not regret using this strategy. The main reason is our competitors are not pitching the same offers and doing the same practices on that marketplace, right? Second thing is people from that marketplace, they are not aware of the practices that we are doing and the working practices from Facebook, right? If you have been posting on a LinkedIn for 1+ year, then I want you to start posting similar posts and start doing all the practices that you have been doing on LinkedIn on Facebook as well. My guarantee that will get 2x, 3x times clients just by changing your marketplace. There are lots of benefits of changing the marketplace, and I have covered already that in this video. You can watch that by clicking on this I button again. People who are active on LinkedIn and spending their time on LinkedIn, the problem is on LinkedIn, everybody is teaching how to grow on LinkedIn, how to get more impressions on LinkedIn, how to get clients from LinkedIn, what DMs you have to do on the LinkedIn, or similar LinkedIn services on LinkedIn. But if you start selling LinkedIn services on Facebook, definitely there are only 1% of the people who are actually doing those practices, right? And you will get more responses, you will get more leads, you will get more appointments, more clients. This is obvious. If you are spending your 80% of the time on LinkedIn, then just jump on Facebook and start posting, start engaging on Facebook. I'm telling you, this will work for you. If you are spending your time on Facebook, then whatever you're selling on Facebook, start selling that on LinkedIn. If you have a few case studies, if you have results to show, then do not worry about the new platform. Do not worry that I do not have much followers on that new platform. I do not have that much engagement. You only need results to show and people will start believing in you. Of course, they want to see how you have helped other people, your clients or yourself, achieving that end result. So I hope you found value in this video. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, then do subscribe. If you're watching this on LinkedIn and Facebook, then I have mentioned my YouTube channel link in the comment section. Let's connect on other platform. I'm active on all the social media platforms: Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube.